Hey guys, just a few things as we get ready to race tomorrow. So first I want to say great job on team spirit this week. You guys have showed an amazing amount of team spirit, and it seems like we just keep getting better and better. Each time we see you guys have been so positive, and we're so appreciative of that. And Tuesday night, I can't get over how well you guys ran. I think the cooler temperatures helped, but I think you guys just got out there and really worked hard on Tuesday night to get better. So that's very encouraging for us as coaches. Team spirit also in the fact that you guys were out there cheering each other on. Everybody knew how hard everybody else was working, and you guys were out there supporting each other regardless of what grade or how well you knew each other. You guys were out there just kind of cheering everybody on. So I'm very encouraged by that. I want to say keep that up, keep showing that team spirit, and we're going to have a great year. All right, a few things about tomorrow. First, parking. Parking, if you drive to the meet, you will park in the top parking lot up by the shelter near the start line. So our tent will be somewhere near there. You will have to get your temperature checked and all that good stuff as you come in, but then once you get into the parking lot, you can walk over. Our tent should be somewhere up near the starting line area. No tents are allowed near the finish line this year. So your tent, under the tent, you will find a packet with bibs and chips. So you will need to locate the bib number with your name on it, and then make sure you get the matching chip. Your chip and bib have to have the same number on it, or your time will not be correct. So please make sure that you get the correct bib and chip on your body tomorrow. Okay? All right, so drinks. Make sure you bring a drink. As always, right now, you have to kind of bring something to drink. You will be thirsty when you get done racing. So bring something, a bottle with your name on it, a sticker, something that you know it's yours and it doesn't get shared with anyone else. Your mask, you do have to have a mask tomorrow. If you are running, you don't have to have a mask. If you're warming up, racing, or cooling down, you do not have to have a mask. But any other time, you do have a mask. So just be prepared for that. I think that's all for racing tomorrow. Make sure that our uniforms do match. Uniforms do have to match. And if you have any questions, let us know. We look forward to tomorrow. Coach Nunn has put a tremendous amount of time and effort into making this a great success tomorrow. So it's going to be different than in years past, but we are excited and we think it's going to go really well. So make sure you thank all of your parents for volunteering and helping us put this meet on. We couldn't do it alone. And I am so excited. I hope to see all of you guys with good attitudes and ready to go tomorrow. Have a good night.